Okay, so this is just what we picked today for the most part. So we got some jalapenos, some bell peppers, okra, a bunch more cucumbers. Um, my wife likes these. They're I think the Sweet 100. So actually, this is a ground cherry. They're like a little sweet treat, and but yeah, I'm not real fond. They taste good, but they are jam packed of seeds. And this is just a mixture of, little, I guess, finger food tomatoes. So you got black cherry, bunch of little cherry tomatoes. Then a bunch of beef eater type of tomatoes. We'll slice them up and eat them either on burgers or just by themselves. Of course, a little bit more squash, more okra. And nothing goes to waste here because we have chickens. So these are some cucumbers that just got too far gone. You could still eat those if you wanted to, but these look much better. So all these yellowish ones, and they're kind of getting soft, and this turnip is soft. So all this will go to the chickens. They'll eat all that stuff. They're really good at cleaning that up for us. Oh, and then 2 more cantaloupe that smell very ripe. So I can't wait to cut into those. Now, we also harvested some onions. So I'll show you those. All right. So we've got some red onions, white onions, and yellow onions. We just cleaned them off, hosed them down, and let them dry out here. They're not the biggest onions, as you can see, but we just did a small lot this year, and we really haven't grown a whole lot of onions. So I don't think it turned out too bad, considering lack of experience. But yeah. So we noticed the other day a bag, I think it was like a 5-pound bag, maybe it's a 3-pound bag of yellow onions was almost $4.50. They used to be $2. So I'm glad we have more onions down there. It's just what we harvested today. So I'm glad we've definitely grown them because that's like a staple. Our next challenge is to plant and harvest garlic. We want to master that because that is also another staple. I really like the red onions, so that's definitely my favorite. But I like all onions. So just thought I'd show a little glimpse of what we harvest in a day.